Factor the expression below completely. Which of the following is not one of the factors? Okay, so I'm going to be careful. This is a not. Which of the following is a not one of the factors? So I'm going to start by pulling out a 5 because 5 goes into all three of these coefficients. So when I pull out that 5, I'm left with x squared minus x minus 6. And then that's a trinomial that can be factored a little bit more. So I'm going to make a double bubble, put x and x. And then in the second spot, I need numbers that multiply to -6 but add to -1. So I'm going to go with -3 and +2. And let's double check. Do a quick FOIL to make sure that this comes out correctly. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is +2x. -3 times x is -3x. And -3 times +2 is -6. And this all has the 5 in front. And when I combine my like terms, that's x squared minus x minus 6. Good. That's what I wanted to get. Okay, so my three factors are 5, x minus 3, and x plus 2. So 5 is a factor, x minus 3 is a factor, x plus 2 is a factor. So C is the one that is not a factor.